What's up, you guys? I'm Warren.
And I'm Zora.
And welcome home. Today we're going to talk about selling a defective home. Let's talk about things that are detrimental to a home. Owning a home near any of the following locations is detrimental to value. Things you might notice may involve main thoroughfares with a lot of traffic, railroad tracks, commercial or industrial properties, apartment buildings, utility structures such as waste, electrical and nuclear power plants, cemeteries, noise pollution from nearby airports or freeways, garbage, landfills and recycling, schools, government housing or government buildings, sports arenas, odors from neighboring farms or factories. If you experience any of these things, consult your nearest real estate agent about how the heck you can save your property value. Honestly, the best way to overcome an objection is by pricing and negotiation. I've heard stories about how people hide things, stuff like that, and honestly, that's just straight up illegal. You want to watch out. Additionally, it's important to emphasize the benefits of the perceived weaknesses. For example, cemeteries are quiet, break-ins and other crimes are less common on busy streets, and nearby commercial properties might be convenient for shopping or work.
A bad layout, for example, can turn off a buyer and may not be fixable. The side effects of a bad layout could be
narrow doorways and halls, interior stairs facing an entrance, hallways facing an entrance, adjoining bedrooms located on separate levels, dining room in the center of the home, bedrooms accessed from living or family rooms, guest bathroom in an unappealing location, choppy placement of rooms without flow, upper floor bedrooms with stairs in the center, and anything else you can think of that's very inconvenient. If you're experiencing these side effects, then get your real estate agent to help you out, because that's going to be a hard one to work.
These types of homes sell for less than similar homes with more conforming layouts in the same areas.
Sometimes the home you're trying to sell might be just way too damaged. Contractor or handyman specials are common terms for fixer-uppers, and regrettably, the best solution sometimes is just to tear down the property and sell it for the value of the lot. Another thing you might do is give the buyer closing cost credits, do the tear down afterwards if this person is looking to invest in your property. So that's it for selling defective homes. We hope you know more what you're looking at and what kind of problems you might have. There's not a whole lot besides negotiating and pricing to get around them. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section below. If you like the information you got, hit that like button, help the YouTube algorithm so we can get this in front of more people and help more people. I'm Warren.
And I'm Zora.
And now you know.